ازيكم. Now it's opened for United Nations for the Young Professionals Programme YPP for 2025. Let's fetch this scholarship. This for young students up to 32. So if you have GSE or AG or any high school or secondary school certificate, you can access this scholarship. Okay, so this scholarship, it's from granted and supported by the United Nations, and this for young professional, this for the year 2025, and I think it's every year they open this opportunity. Who can apply? Nationality, you need to be a national for a participating country. Egypt is one of these countries. Education, you need to at least first level university degree relevant to the exam, at least a relevant bachelor's degree or a 3 years equivalent degree. If you are high school, you can go here. Age, you need to be less than 20 years in the year of examination. Language, you need to be fluent in either English or French. English, you can prepare for free for IELTS from this preparation link through the British Council, and this is online and it's free. So it's online, it's open for all ages, and it's from the direct British Council. So here you have sample videos, instructional lessons for teachers, time practice tests, resource, and you can apply from here. If you are under 16 years, you need to participate through your father's or your parent, any one of them email. So, but if you are greater than 16, you can apply with yourself. This is the for IELTS for preparation of this. So you can apply from here and then register for this UN career website and catch this scholarship. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll reply you as soon as possible. I will put this link on the description, and also the link of the free training of the IELTS course. It's online. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with others, and if you have any question, ask and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.